Good morning, class 10. Welcome to Commercial Studies class. Children, already you know that we these days we are doing chapter number 14. So today also we'll continue with the same chapter, but today we are going to study about very interesting topic and very different topic of this chapter, right? So this is chapter number 14 and the name of the chapter is banking. This you already know. Children, today I will be teaching you different topic, that is internet banking. What exactly internet banking is? Children, you know that bank provides you various type of facility through which the customer feels blessed and customer can easily carry on the transactions with the help of bank. In that same sequence, the one and the very important facility provided by the bank, commercial bank these days is internet banking. So children, whenever banking transactions are carried on with the help of internet or through internet, that is called internet banking. Children, in order to save the time and money involved in visiting bank branches, people these days increasingly now prefer to deposit money in or to withdraw money from their bank account and do any other banking transactions from their homes and offices. So for that they are using internet. So whenever to carry on the business transaction you are making use of internet, that's called internet banking, and it is very comfortable, it is very easy. Like for example, in these days, in this difficult situation and this COVID-19 situation, we are performing banking transaction very easily from our homes and offices with the help of internet banking only. So whenever we carry on the transactions with the help of internet, any transactions of the bank, if it is being carried on with the help of internet, that's called internet banking, right? So children, you will be preparing this topic in very short because 2 marks question can be asked. Now children, the next topic is RTGS. What is RTGS? Children, there are different modes of transferring money online. Among them, the very first and the common is RTGS. The full form of RTGS is real time gross settlement, right? And in short, it is known as RTGS. Children, it is a fund transfer system. As I told you that there are different modes of online payment, and among them the common one is RTGS. Children, it is a fund transfer system under which transfer of funds takes place from one bank to another on the real time and on gross basis. Children's settlement on real time means that there is no waiting period. The transaction is settled as soon as it is processed. Gross settlement means transaction is made on one to one basis without bunching it with any other transaction. It is more instant settlement system used mainly for high volume payment, right? And children, RTGS services is available to the customer from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on weekdays and from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Saturday. This is the fastest possible system of transfer of money through banking system, right? Now children, I will be telling you some features of this RTGS. So the very first and the most important feature of RTGS is that it is not available at all the branches in India. This facility is only and only available in CBS enabled bank branches. CBS means core banking system, right? Second feature is RTGS transactions are processed individually and continuously throughout the banking hours rather than in batches. That is, these transactions are not being merged in batches. They are done instantly. As soon as the transaction is processed, the money is being transferred. Third is, the minimum amount in RTGS transaction is 2 lakh and there is no upper ceiling for RTGS transaction. Fourth point is, children, the receiving or beneficiary bank must credit the customer's account within 30 minutes of receiving the fund transfer message. That is, very instant fund is being transferred. And the last feature is the transfer is final and irreversible. Right. Now children, you can see this in the slide also. I have mentioned that RTGS system is a fund transfer mechanism where transfer of money takes place from one bank to another on real time and in gross basis. Children, as I have told you that it is the fastest possible money transfer system through banking channel. And children, settlement in real time means payment of the transaction is not subjected to the waiting period. The transactions are settled as soon as they are processed. And gross settlement means the transaction is settled on the basis without bunching with any other transactions. Right? Now children, after listening to this study video, I am sharing one of the worksheet with you. You will be doing that worksheet, and after doing that, you will be sending the screenshot of the same to me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. That's all for today.